Good morning, class. Good morning. Today we are going to read out the fourth chapter of your book, and the name of the chapter is An Indian American Woman in Space, Kalpana Chawla. So I will read it. You repeat with me. Before you read. In 1997. An Indian American Kalpana Chawla. Was part of the international crew. Aboard the U.S. Space Shuttle Columbia. Becoming the first woman. Born in India. To go into space. Sadly, the second mission in Columbia. Ended in tragedy. An Indian American woman in space, Kalpana Chawla. One. A space shuttle is a spacecraft that is made for repeated space travel. Unlike a rocket. For example, between Earth and a space station. 2. Use a dictionary to do the tasks below. 1. Find out the meanings of the following words and phrases. Look up the words underlined in the phrases. A. Naturalized U.S. citizen. B. Space. Dash. C. Frontiers of space. Dash. D. Aboard. Dash. E. Lift off. How is it different from take off? Dash. F. Crew. Dash. Second. Notice the spellings of these words in this lesson. Airplane. Program. This is how these words are spelled in American English. How are they spelled in British English? A news report. Tragedy in space. U.S. Space Shuttle Columbia breaks into flames. In an unprecedented space tragedy. U.S. Space Shuttle Columbia. Carrying Indian-born American astronaut. Kalpana Chawla and 6 others. Broke apart in flames. As it streaked over Texas. Towards its landing strip. On Saturday, 1st February 2003. Killing all 7 on board. The shuttle lost contact with NASA. At about 9 a.m. 19.30 hours IST. As it came in for landing. It was flying at an altitude of over 200,000 feet and traveling at over 20,000 kilometers per hour when ground control lost contact with the shuttle. Columbia had lifted off on 16 January 2003 from the Kennedy Space Center, Florida. It had stayed in orbit for 16 days. And the seven-member crew conducted 80 experiments before it began its downward journey, which ended in a tragedy. This was Columbia's 28th space flight. And the shuttle was said to be good for 100 flights. One. Kalpana Chawla said that she never dreamed as a child in Colonel that she would cross the frontiers of space. It was enough that her parents allowed her to attend engineering college after she graduated from Tagore School. 2. After a Bachelor of Science degree in Aeronautical Engineering, against a great opposition from her father, she went for a master's degree to the United States of America. She later earned her PhD in aerospace engineering. Kalpana Chawla was the first Indian-American woman astronaut to blast off from the launch pad at Cape Canaveral, Florida, and participate in a successful mission in space. Her family from India cheered along with staff at the Kennedy Space Center as they watched the Columbia lift off. 3. Kalpana was born in Karnal, Haryana, but was a naturalized US citizen, married to flight instructor Jane Perry Harrison. Besides being an astronaut, she was licensed to fly single and multi-engine land airplanes, single engine seaplanes and gliders. She was also a certified flight instructor. After qualifying as a pilot, Kalpana began to consider another challenge, applying to NASA's Space Shuttle program. She was first hired as a research scientist at NASA. In 1994, she was selected by NASA for training as an astronaut. 4. When asked what it was like being a woman in her field, she replied, I really never ever thought while pursuing my studies or doing anything else that I was a woman or a person from a small state or a different country. I pretty much had my dreams like anyone else. And I followed them. And people who were around me, fortunately, always encouraged me and said, if that is what you want to do, carry on. 5. Kalpana's first space mission in Space Shuttle Columbia was 15 days, 16 hours and 34 minutes long. During this time, she went around the earth 252 times. Traveling 10.45 million kilometers. The crew included a Japanese and a Ukrainian astronaut. The crew performed experiments such as pollinating plants to observe food growth in space and tests for making stronger metals and faster computer chips, all for a price tag of about $56 million. 6. On the Saturday night, when the news about the Columbia disaster broke, there was shock and disbelief. The town of Karnal spent a sleepless night. As thousands of households stayed glued to their television sets in the hope that Kalpana and the crew had somehow survived. A journalist wrote, she was a heroine. It takes enormous ability to become an astronaut. You need to know a lot about everything. From biology to astrophysics to astronautical engineering. In this age of super specialization, you must have encyclopedic knowledge to be an astronaut. Her achievement is awe-inspiring. 7. For millions of young Indians, the story of Kalpana Chawla, a girl from a small town, who touched the skies, had become an inspiration in a message that she sent from aboard the Space Shuttle Columbia. The students of a college in Chandigarh, Kalpana said, the path from dreams to success does exist. May you have the vision to find it. The encourage to get on to it. Wishing you a great journey. There will surely be many who start off on this journey to fulfill their dreams. Adapted from Span, January, February 1998. Now, working with the text. A. Answer the following questions. 1. Why was Kalpana Chawla born? Why is she called an Indian American? 2. When and why did she go to the US? Who did she marry? 3. How did she become an astronaut? What gave her the idea that she could be an astronaut? 4. What abilities must an astronaut have? According to the journalist. 5. Describe Kalpana Chawla's first mission in space. 6. What does Kalpana Chawla say about pursuing a dream? Do you agree with her that success is possible? B. Read the newspaper report to find the following facts about the Columbia's ill-fated voyage. 1. Date and place of lift-off. Blank. 2. Number of astronauts on board. Blank. 3. Number of days it stayed in space. Blank. 4. Number of experiments done by scientists. Blank. 5. Date of return journey. Blank. 6. Height at which it lost contact. Blank. A. Match the following. 1. Unprecedented space tragedy. 2. Certified flight instructor. 3. Space mission. 4. Super specialization. 5. Encyclopedic knowledge. 6. Awe-inspiring. 7. In this age. Something that causes feelings of respect and wonder. Having knowledge of a wide variety of subjects Nowadays, in these times. A set of jobs to be done. In space by a group. A person with the correct qualification. To teach people. To fly planes. A sad accident. Of a kind. That has never happened before in space. Great expertise. In a limited field. Or a particular subject. B. Use these phrases. In sentences of your own. After finding out their meanings. 1. Broke apart. 2. Straight over. 3. Spread across. 4. Lifted off. 5. Glossed off. 6. Went on. 7. Cheered along. 8. On board. 9. Carry on. C. We add un to make opposites. For example, true, untrue. Add un to the words below to make their opposites. Then look up the meanings of the words you have formed in the dictionary. 1. Identified. 2. Controlled. 3. Attended. 4. Successful. 5. Important. 6. Educated. 7. Interesting. 8. Qualified. 9. Trained. 10. Answerable. Speaking. In her message, students of her college, Kalpana Chawla said, may you have the vision to find the path from dreams to success. Wishing you a great journey. From peers, use may you. And I wish you. Oblique wishing you. To wish your partner. Good luck and success in. 1. A sports event. 2. A quiz or a competition. And 3rd, a test or examination. Be sure to thank your partner. When he wishes you in turn. You may also look up a telephone directory. Or go to a post office. And get a list in English. And Hindi. Of standard phrases. That can be sent. In greeting telegrams. Anywhere in India. Discuss which of these you might use. And when. Compare the English and Hindi phrases for expressing good wishes. Do you know such phrases in any other language? Writing. A. Do you have a dream? Or something you very much wish to do. Write a paragraph saying what you want or wish to do. Then say in another paragraph how you think you can make your dream come true. B. Given below are some words that are spelled differently in British and American English. Fill in the blanks accordingly. British. American. 1. Color. 2. Black. 3. Black. 4. Counselor. 5. Center. 6. Black. 7. Black. 8. Realize. 9. Black. 10. Offense. Blank. Labor. Traveler. Blank. Black. Theater. Organize. Blank. Defense. Blank.